Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Thank you all for stopping by. I just wanted to stop by and do a little shoe haul because I recently, during this pandemic, we've all been cleaning out our closets. I recently made some purchases of some shoes, some of for summer. I gotta look around and see. Just kind of revamping my closet, getting new colors that I don't normally have. These are normally colors that I don't normally go for. I don't have all the colors that I would like to have, but I just needed to kind of upgrade my closet. I'm going to share with y'all everything that I purchased. Everything that I purchased, the link will be down below if it is still available. We're going to get started. We're going to have to run through this really quickly because I have quite a lot of shoes, and I want to go through this. I don't want this video to be too long. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what's your favorite pair of shoes. Which color are you feeling? What are you not feeling? I'll give you my honest opinion. We're going to get started. So we're going to get starting with, okay, so disclaimer. First of all, I am not really a big fan of designer things. I feel like fabric is fabric, material is material. I could just make something, put my name on it, I become famous, I could sell it for $5,000. That's kind of how I feel. So none of these are going to be designer heels. Do I have designer heels? Yes, I do own designer heels. Do I like wearing them? No, I do not. They're uncomfortable majority of the time. It's just, I don't know. I travel a lot, and I kind of just needed new sandals to rock with my outfits, things that are cute, that are comfortable. So getting started with number one. Boom. These are from, I had to remind myself, these are from Ego. Extremely comfortable, really cute. It's orange, summertime vibes. I think this is Hermes kind of brand dupe or whatever. It's really cute. Why not, right? I got this from Ego. The link is down below. It was very affordable. It was on sale. Ego always has I believe 40% off sale, 50% off sale. So I purchased this. I love this so much that I purchased it in white as well because it was really cute. Zoom in, very comfortable. Again, nice cute slides. Hermes dupe, really cute. Next, these shoes I purchased from Shein. These were my first pair of shoes that I purchased from Shein. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am very highly disappointed. These shoes are extremely flimsy, cheap. I'm not a fan of rubber shoes. Honestly, I didn't know that it was rubber. I looked at the photos. It had a lot of reviews, and I didn't realize it was rubber until it came. Highly disappointed. Really hate these shoes. Very flimsy. It's one of those shoes that flaps when you walk. I would not recommend. It's definitely really tight up front as well, but I had to show you all. Somebody may like it. It's very cute. We all have different styles. Zoom in, you see. Yeah, highly would not recommend. Moving on, where did I get this pair of shoes from? I wore these in NUDE. Where did I get this from? I don't know where I got this. I got these from misslola. So just regular red flats. There's a shirt in my Shein haul that I wore. I usually try to get a pair of flats and a pair of heels to match whatever outfit, so therefore I can always swap whenever I'm not comfortable. These are a pair of flats. They're really cute. I have some red heels that I actually wore with them. Very comfortable. Again, misslola shoes do not come in boxes. Majority of their shoes come in like little sacks or whatever. So this was a little crush when I got it, but it's really cute, comfortable. I would highly recommend. Link is in the bio. These is the last pair of, nope, not last pair of flats. Second to last pair of sandals that I got from Ego. I don't really care for these at all, honestly. The color is like a pale pink, more of a Easter pink type of color. It's comfortable. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just don't care for it as much. It doesn't hit like it's supposed to hit. They had it in purple. They have it in black. I might buy it in another color. But it's extremely cute on. It's not much for me. This is a pair of flats. These are the last pair of flats that I purchased during this haul. This is from Ego. Honestly, I don't like these shoes at all. So it's really fluffy up here, very fluffy. It's very comfortable, to be honest with you. It's almost like you're walking on clouds, but it's just not a good look on my feet. It's a champagne kind of color. They have it in several other colors. I will link it down below as well. And just as a disclaimer for this haul, you all, I am a size 6 European. I'm a size 6 US size, and my feet is very slim. I do not wear wide shoes. So yeah, everything that I'm showing you all will be in the link down below. We're gonna get started with the heels now. First pair of heels. These are a little dirty. I've worn these a lot, but they're my favorite pair. One of my favorite pair of nude heels. These are right here. I'm gonna go up, down real quickly. What I wanted to show you all is cork type of background. It's Cape Robin. I got these from Amazon. It's a really good purchase. I will link it down below. I actually probably should buy another pair. I should buy another pair, but they're really cute and comfortable. I have my assistant here. These are the next pair of heels. I got these from Miss Lola. Y'all, I love these heels, okay? I need it to focus on the color. Oh my god, how do I get y'all to see the color? There I go. A little bit better. It's like that true green. I need a bag to rock these. You see the heels, sweetie, it is giving everything it's supposed to give, okay? When I tell you these heels are so cute, it's so comfortable on, I can see myself rocking it. Again, I told you I needed new colors that I don't have. I don't have not one pair of green heels, but so I made a purchase for these. This is Miss Lola, link down below. I really love these. They're actually really comfortable as well. Really nice. There you go. Really nice pair of heels. These actually have a picture of these. I wore these in Puerto Rico. I bought them last year for my birthday. I didn't wear them on my birthday, but they're similar heels as the one below. I got these from Fashion Nova. They're not too bad, not really walking shoes, but cute for a photo. I really like these. It's kind of fluffy up here, very comfortable. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not that bad. Really cute though. This gold detail is what got me. Yes, Fashion Nova did that. Okay, next. Y'all, these right here, really I'm tired of saying really cute, but they're really cute though. These are my first pair of orange, not my first pair of orange shoes that I probably would really wear. The first pair I got, I didn't wear. Check out the heel. The heel is one of those clear heels, one of those new things that's going on where they have these clear heels. I got these surprisingly from Shein. These were my first pair of heels purchased from Shein. They're really cute, very high, not as comfortable. I'm debating on if I really do want to keep them or I'm gonna resell them somewhere to someone, but they're cute though. You see, true orange. Really love them. Yeah, these are from Miss Lola, a brown color that I don't have. Am I holding it right? Of course not. Again, these are from Miss Lola. I just needed some brown comfortable heels, something that I can actually wear to work, because I kind of wear a lot of neutrals to work. Boom, these are the heels. Really short heel, very comfortable, one of the sling back kind of heels. Highly recommend. I'll link it down below as well. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these shoes. You ever purchase something and you're just highly disappointed? So I have these. I got these from Miss Lola. They're these white heels with the padlock type. It has the gold heel, gold details. The padlock and the gold heel is what got me. I needed some new white shoes. Not comfortable at all. Yeah, they're not comfortable. It's very narrow up here, and I have very slim feet, but it's really uncomfortable. I might be returning these or reselling it somewhere else. I'm not a fan. Next are these pair of heels. Oh, it's a nude pair. I don't know how I'm going to show y'all these color. How can y'all see it? There you go. It's a nude pair of heels. I bought these from Fashion Nova. Again, the gold heel is what attracted me to these shoes. I don't really like them. Same issue that I'm having. It's very narrow up here, very uncomfortable. The heel is really high. My feet slides down. It doesn't, these are kind of like a tie around the ankle twice. It doesn't really make it very comfortable for me to have it on, and therefore I don't care for them. Yep. Okay, moving on. So y'all, if I ever said I've been disappointed in any pair of heels, it would have been these. I got these from Ego. My disappointment with these heels, first of all, they're tie up. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I do not really like tie up heels at all. I'm not a fan. It was a true gold heel, so I figured maybe I'll try it. I'll give it a try. Maybe I've changed, because I haven't tried on tie up heels for over 10 to 12 years, right? So I decided to give them a try. I don't like them. It's very uncomfortable here. There's a toe portion right here that makes it very uncomfortable. This isn't really tight. It's just not, it doesn't give what it's supposed to give. It's not doing much for my outfit. I don't really like the tie up. I barely can walk them. They're extremely high. I'll link the link down below if you're interested. Take a look at it. But yeah, I don't really care for these at all. Alright, y'all, so I got these heels I got from Ego. I actually wore these to one of my friends' wedding back in January. If they're still available, I'll put the link. It's not focusing. I'll put the link in the description box. But these are very, very popular. So many different companies started selling them, but I first saw them on Ego. It's really, really cute. I loved it so much, you all, that I actually purchased it in black. Not really. I actually purchased the black ones first. No, I purchased the white ones first, and then these are actually the ones that I actually wore to the wedding. I wore the white ones to my cousin's birthday party. No, her boyfriend's birthday. But anyways, I purchased them in black as well. Really, really cute. They're not as comfortable. They're not walking shoes. They're actually like 5-point-something inches heel. But they're really, really cute photo taking type of heels. As you can see, the back are dirty because I wore them already, like I told you all. But wanted to include them in this haul. Really, really cute. Highly recommend if you're looking for something classy. And then I also have these that I got from Ego. They're very popular as well. One of those patent leather, faux leather type of heels. They have the same padlock on them as well. Ankle, it's not as comfortable. Actually, it's really uncomfortable, and I'm not really a fan of the chain type of ankle straps because it doesn't get as tight as it should. And for any woman that can't walk in heel, the key is to make sure that your straps are tight enough so that you're almost like walking on water. So these don't get tight enough. I feel like they're flimsy, so I'm afraid to tighten them as much as I should. But they're really, really cute. Don't think I'll be wearing these. They're probably going to be up for sale or given away. Again, these gold heels are what's attracted me. I'm a gold girl. I love gold. These gold heels got me. Really, really cute though. And y'all ever purchase? Okay, so I have this thing that I do, that I make an order, right? And then I purchase things, and then towards the end of my purchase I kind of add on something that I really didn't pay attention to the reviews or didn't really care much about it, but I just wanted to add something else, like maybe to even out the order a little bit, or maybe I added a discount code and I'm like, oh, I can add one more thing to kind of do my budget, right? These are it. Don't ask me what I was thinking, okay? My daughter laughed at me when these shoes came. I figured, I'm like, oh, maybe I can get some comfortable heels, gold heels. I can wear with some denim jeans and a cute top if I'm going somewhere. Maybe you're going to lunch and I don't really want to be uncomfortable. Girl, these things are so ugly. They're ugly. I don't like them. Don't like them on. Don't like them in the picture. Don't like them here. Return to sender. Please don't play with me. I don't like these heels at all. I don't. But I'll link the video down below. Okay, it's ugly to me, but it may be nice to you. Maybe something that you like. It's just very uncomfortable. The knots right here really, really hurt because it's very, very tight. There's knots here, there's knots here. It's just knots everywhere, girl. It ain't comfortable at all, boo. The heel is not bad at all, but everything else, I kind of like the detail of the heel. Like it's slimmed here and then it kind of widens a little bit. It narrows down a little bit. It's really cute. I thought the heel was cute. I see myself wearing this with some light blue denim jeans, maybe a white top. So I had a look in my mind. I was going to do like a straw kind of bag. I had a whole look in my brain when I purchased these, but the shoe just, it's uncomfortable. It's definitely going to sit in my closet until I give it away to somebody or send it to Haiti. So yeah, so no. So yeah, this was my haul. My shoe haul. These are the purchases that I made recently within the last month. I've been traveling a lot more now, so I just needed to kind of upgrade my closet a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Try not to make it really long. Again, all the links will be down in the description box. In the comments, please let me know which was your favorite pair of heels, which ones was your least favorite, because girl, I don't care if you like them. I need to know what you don't like. Of course, all of our styles are different, but let me know which one is your favorite. pair of heels. I'll be purchasing more, doing some exchanges. I will let you all know. I will my hair, so sis, you wasn't gonna tell me my hair messed up? Y'all weren't gonna tell me that. Y'all know I'm picky. My hair was messed up. Oh, y'all might not even get this video. Anyways, thank you all for joining me today in my shoe and haul. I hope you really enjoyed. Again, comment your favorite shoe, your least favorite shoes down below. Links in the description box if you would like to make a purchase. I love seeing you all. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know what would you like to see next on my next video. I hope you enjoy your day. Remember, you wear the shoe, girl. Wear that shoe. Make a purchase. Retail therapy is good for your spirit. Okay, it's not in the Bible, girl, but you know, make a purchase today. You deserve it. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to pay yourself first before you go shopping, baby, because that account got to look right before you decide to go ahead and spend that money on some materialistic things. Other than that, I truly enjoyed this, y'all. See y'all in my next video. Peace. Y'all don't want to leave me, huh? I don't want to leave y'all either, but we gotta go.